guys, and welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. For you, the Market Marauders investment channel helps you find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit that thumbs up button. It definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. So I'm going to start a new series on here. It's going to be growing this Robinhood account to $1 million. So that's the goal. Going to track it for a year. So it's going to be a 52-week challenge to grow my account to $1 million, and you all be able to get insight on the journey that I'm taking. So first things first, make sure you go add me on IG, market_marauders, and make sure you add the clothing company sus_clothing_brand. We do have some new shirts out, so make sure you go check that. People have been asking me for, do you have a Discord channel? Yes, I do have a Discord. It is under my Patreon. It's $10 a month, so just sign up for that, and you'll get access to the Discord group where, tell you the plays as they are going on. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So first I have Tesla call at $800. I got 3 of those. Currently down on that. Oracle have $50 put up on that. So that's positive $10 for today, and this is ending the week. The market is still open, by the way. Seeing this ticker going up to change the amount in the account. Have Walmart $210 call, one buy of that, $109 down. Have 30 Apple buys that in expiration date is the 16th. So down 304 on that. Intuit down on that one as well. October 16th is the expiration date on that. Best Buy October 16th expiration on that as well. Currently down on that one. Then we have Pfizer. Pfizer currently positive on that, 30 buys, the $55 strike price, currently positive on that one. And McDonald's in March 2021 with 5 buys expiration. So in the description down below, I'm going to have a list of rules that I'm going to be following that I'll probably go over at the end of the video to how I'm going to try to grow this account. And you can follow those rules if you want to, or do different rules that you want. But I think rules for how to do this trading strategy will definitely help, preserve the account as well as give us some sort of guidance when trying to grow it. Now for single stocks that I have on here, I have ticker sign AM and ticker sign HL. I got those for free. That's why I have 1 share of those. So I just haven't sold them because I have them for free. 1 share of Tesla I purchased. I'm plus $37.16 on that. I got 1 share of Apple plus $10.87. Got 1 share of negative $10.87. 1 share of Moderna plus $1.98 on that one. And then these 2 IPOs came out this week, and I jumped on them. So we have Snow, which was the big IPO for this week, and then JFrog was the other IPO for this week that caught my eye. So I jumped on those. Currently negative on those, but I think those will definitely turn around. Now going into how the plays went for this week on week 1. So week 1 I had a Qualcomm buy for $115.70, and I sold for $116.36 to have a plus 66-cent profit. So let's jump into Qualcomm, and we can see that because I just want to show you all proof that I made the trade. So on here we can see 1 share bought at 115, and then 1 sold at 116.36. So going into the next one that I have on here, we got DraftKings that I bought at $49.10, and I sold at $52.05. So a small $2.95 gain. I was happy with that. So let's look at DraftKings. So jumping into DraftKings, going down on that one. So we can see right here, 1 share bought at $49.10 and sold at $52.05. And they ended the week at $54.86. So probably should have held on to that one till the end of the week. But a profit is a profit in my point of view. So definitely glad that I was able to lock in a profit on that one. Now Kodak definitely had FOMO on that one. So let's jump into Kodak. I was actually negative $4.94 on Kodak just because I was extremely impatient. So patience definitely is a virtue on that one. And we can see as this loads why we say patience is a virtue. So I actually bought 10 shares of Kodak at $9.80, and I sold the same day at $9.30. So Kodak had went up. It was on its way up. It actually went to $10 that same day after I bought it at $9.80. And then I was like, oh no, I'm just going to keep going up. But it didn't go up. It started to go down. So I sold as it was going down. And then if we look at the end of the week, it ended at $11.67. So lesson learned on that one. Definitely, try to lock in profits when you can. And patience definitely, pays a long way. So the last one, we got Inovio, buy at $270 and sell at $450 to get $230 positive gain. So that was the big play for this one. So let's jump into Inovio. Inovio, if you're not familiar, is a pharmaceutical company has a lot of big backing. So I bought it the 9th of September, bought 2 contracts for 110 each, and then sold both of those contracts for 225 each. So bought at 220 for both those contracts and sold at 450 for both of those contracts. So that's the account so far. This is week 1. So week 2, definitely going to be having some plays for week 2. Make sure you check out the other videos for the option trades and the penny stocks that I'm watching for this week. And tell me in the comments down below if this video helped you all. I'm going to put down some rules. So one of the rules that I have that I'm going to be using to grow this account is no more than 5 contracts per stock per week. No more than 5 shares per stock per week. Spend no more than 40% of account cash balance in a week. Deposit $20 a week into the account and document every buy, sell of stock and track the profit/loss of every stock per week. So this week on week 1 had a profit of $228.67, adding all the trades that I made this week. Even though Inovio was a buy on the September 9th, the sell, in my opinion, counted towards this week. So definitely would say the $230, I'm going to add that to this week since I don't have that contract anymore. So for week 1, plus $228.67. Definitely I think it's progress. Hopefully some of these other ones will turn around. But drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what stocks you guys are watching for the week. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.